Transforming leash reactive dogs, calming fearful behaviors. Have you encountered any of these scenarios? 1. Unexpected visitor. Your peaceful evening is interrupted when someone rings the doorbell, sending your dog into a frenzy of barking and jumping against the door, fueled by a mix of excitement and protective instinct. 2. Park squirrel chase. During a leisurely walk in the park, your dog spots a squirrel and instantly becomes fixated, pulling hard on the leash and whining eagerly, demonstrating their prey drive and lack of impulse control. 3. Veterinary anxiety. The moment you enter the veterinary clinic, your dog starts to pant, pace, and whine, showing signs of stress and fear associated with previous experiences or the unfamiliar environment. 4. Rainstorm reaction. The sound of thunder sends your dog into a panic, hiding under furniture and trembling, a reaction to the loud noises and atmospheric pressure changes. 5. Leash aggression encounter. On a walk, your dog encounters another dog and, despite being normally sociable, exhibits aggression, such as growling and snapping, due to being restrained by the leash. As a seasoned dog trainer, I've navigated the complexities of aiding fearful or reactive dogs alongside their dedicated owners. Imagine a serene walk quickly disrupted by your dog's sudden lunge, bark, or snarl at an unexpected trigger. This daunting scenario is not uncommon, yet with a structured approach, these challenges can be effectively managed. The crucial sequence of actions. Understanding that a dog's reactivity stems from fear or overstimulation underscores the importance of a strategic response. The following steps are designed to safely redirect and calm your dog. 1. Blow a loud whistle, just one loud toot. This initial action uses the shock of noise to reset your dog's focus onto you, momentarily pausing their reactive state. 2. Apply leash handling skills to reposition yourself. Regain control by redirecting your dog with the leash and physically shielding your dog from the distraction, ensuring you're perceived as a protective leader. 3. Remove your dog from the situation. Lead your dog away calmly, demonstrating that you're guiding them from stress, not escaping it. Enhancing safety through training. While immediate actions are crucial, they're part of a broader strategy aimed at building confidence and reducing reactivity through consistent training. The integration of tools like whistles and leash corrections must be part of a comprehensive and responsible training regimen. Building trust through energy work. Incorporating insights from Harmony Hounds. Elevate your dog training game for unbreakable bonds. We delve into a holistic training approach that emphasizes canine relaxation techniques and bioenergy work. Inspired by Laurie Harris' Master Dog Behavior and Training Program, we explore the potent combination of ancient wisdom and modern science in fostering a deep, empathetic connection between you and your dog. Key strategies for a harmonious bond. 1. Energy and flow. Recognizing our dogs as beings of energy allows us to align our frequencies, paving the way for mutual understanding and growth. 2. Incorporating canine relaxation techniques. Through energy synchronization, bioenergy balancing, and mindful practices, we can significantly enhance our dog's calmness and our effectiveness in managing reactivity. Post-reactive walk practices. After addressing immediate reactivity, these practices deepen the bond and encourage emotional regulation. Energy synchronization walks. Begin your day with a walk focused on aligning your energies for calmness. Mindful feeding rituals. Transform feeding times into moments of connection and gratitude. Bioenergy balancing sessions. Regularly practice relaxation techniques to balance your dog's bioenergy, reducing stress and anxiety. Motivation discovery games. Utilize your dog's natural motivators to make training both effective and enjoyable. Emotional regulation through play. Employ playtime to teach patience and control, reinforcing your bond. The journey to harmony. Merging traditional training methods with the profound insights from energy work provides a comprehensive framework for addressing reactivity. This holistic approach not only tackles behavioral issues but also fosters a deep, energetic connection, setting the stage for a relationship defined by mutual respect, understanding, and unconditional love. Navigating the path with a reactive or fearful dog is undeniably challenging, yet immensely rewarding. With patience, understanding, and the right strategies, you can support your canine companion in becoming more confident and less reactive, enhancing the quality of your shared journey towards a happier, healthier relationship. Practical insights for everyday challenges. From sidewalk surprises to the chaos of crowded parks, understanding your dog's triggers and how to manage them is key. The following examples and exercises offer practical advice for real-world scenarios, ensuring you're well-equipped to foster a calm, confident companion through positive reinforcement, desensitization, and customized training sessions focused on building trust and confidence.